Hi, it's Jamie at the Bead Gallery, and I wanted to talk to you about citrine. Now, citrine is one of our favorite stones in the store, and it is also known as the merchant stone because it is a wonderful color of yellows, kind of oranges, and some shades of brown that is good for building your energy, your stamina, your abundance, and it's called the merchant stone because it's also aligned with success. And so I have a bunch of citrine that I wanted to show you. So I'll be doing a showcase for this because we have so much citrine. We love it. I guess we can't stop buying it because of just that energy that it has. Now citrine is yellow, and that area of the body that the chakra covers where you have this energetic wheel of light and power is right here on this area of your body. So that would be your stomach area. And right here is where you have your power, your ki, or as like it's also known as chi, your hara in Japanese. And this is where you have your truth, your internal flame, I guess you could say, what gets your motor going, where you have your belief system in yourself, your confidence grows from here. I don't know if you've ever noticed, but if you're talking in public and you feel like a little awkward or like you want to protect yourself, you know, a lot of times we'll cover ourselves right here as a protection, right in our midsection. And so this area is very important to maintain, to be aware of, especially now with everything happening. It's always like every day there's a new challenge, right? Some kind of perspective that comes butting heads with ours, or some kind of incident that makes us question, like, what are we doing? And am I doing the best that I can? I think there's a lot more of fear out there, a lot more unknowing of what the future is going to bring. And maybe a lot of us are trying to shoulder more responsibility than we probably should. And I think that we can all agree that it is a very different time to be in. And so one way we can make ourselves more aware of this situation and strengthen ourselves is to adorn ourselves and wear colors that bring us joy, that bring us creativity, energy, confidence, self-esteem boosting, and that would be the yellow family. So if you've never worn citrine before, I would highly suggest it. I love it. When we first opened our store and we had gone to Sedona, a woman at a store in Sedona gave us this citrine chunk, and we taped it to our register, and we had that. Oh my gosh, we still have it, right? Yeah, it's still taped to our register. And now 22 years later, all I can say is that we love this stone. I wear it, I notice, when I am feeling a little bit like I need a boost, like I need a ray of sunshine. So I hope this is a stone that can help you. I hope this is a color that you can look in your closet and be like, I'm going to wear this today. Yellow can range from lemony, citrus yellow, all the way to like a dark honey amber yellow. And citrine is just a very beautiful, basically it's a yellow quartz that can give you a nice feeling of also balance, harmony, energy, and you know, it comes from Mother Earth. So it's like a gift from our planet to our bodies. So I hope this finds you well. I hope this finds you hopeful, creative, and inspired. Aloha. Thank you so much. I hope you liked this video where I talked about gemstones and energy. And if you want to see more, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll know when we are doing more of these videos for you. Mwah!